Welcome to our course on social media management. This is the second course in the Social Media Marketing Professional Certification Program created with Facebook. Social media is a powerful channel for businesses to market themselves, and it provides opportunities for businesses to connect with existing and potential clients. Businesses can participate for free and be part of rich conversations. But to make the most of that opportunity, it's important to carefully manage your business presence on the social media platforms you choose. That means creating great content, building and preserving your brand, reacting and responding to comments and trends, and building an understanding of what content really works for you. If these are things you'd love to learn how to do, you're in the right place. Here's what you'll do. In the first week, you'll learn how to establish your business presence. That includes creating a home for your business on the social media platforms that matter to you and how to create a strong brand. In the second week, you'll focus on creating social media content. First, we'll dissect social media posts to get a better understanding of the core building blocks. Then, we'll take a closer look at the role of each of the core social media content elements and how to make them work for you. We will put it all together and you'll learn how to create effective content. And you'll work on a project where you create a sample Instagram or Facebook post for a business. In the third week, the focus is on social media content management. First, you'll explore how to come up with topics to post about and how to create the associated posts. Then you'll learn how to manage all your content with a content calendar. Next, you'll learn how to effectively create and produce all the content you need, and you'll focus on managing your content and interacting with your following. At the end of the week, you'll create a content calendar for a business. In the fourth week, you'll learn how to evaluate the effectiveness of your efforts. First, we'll focus on how to evaluate the data related to your posts, and next, you'll learn how to optimize your content based on that data. Social media marketing is all about connecting with people through content. This course is really at the core of what social media marketing is all about. I can't wait to see the content you'll build, so let's get started.